Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Dr.Razziq Pharmacy Gateway channel. Welcome Pharmacist community. How are you? Hope all you will doing very well. And
Saudi licensing exams Dataflow PSV MUMARIS Plus SCFHS jobs. What is SPLE? In this part 1 video, we are going to discuss various queries regarding Saudi licensing exams for different healthcare professionals, their step-by-step guidelines for Dataflow PSV, and professional classification via MUMARIS PLUS. These queries are: what is SCFHS? What are the general requirements for healthcare professionals? What is SPLE exam and how it is conducted? How to complete Dataflow PSV for SCFHS. The Saudi Commission for Health Specialties, SCFHS, which regulates healthcare-related practices and accreditation at all levels in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. SCFHS evaluates local and international healthcare professionals in all specialties, through administrating different licensing exams, such as SMLE, which is Saudi Medical Licensing Exam. SDLE, Saudi Dental Licensing Exam. SNL, Saudi Nursing Licensing Exam. SPLE, Saudi Pharmacist Licensing Exam. Generally, all healthcare professionals are required to have certain number of documents, as well as meet some general eligibility requirements. Like, a candidate should have degree or diploma. Make sure that your university or college is in the list of authorized institutions of Saudi Commission of Specialties. If your institution name is not in the list, then you are required to add the name in list through professional qualification process in MUMARIS Plus, and paying 300 riyals. We will discuss this process during MUMARIS registration part, later in this video. Secondly, health or medical license from graduating country. If there is no authority providing registration certificate or license, then the candidate should submit an evidence document, stating that there is no issuing authority in the country. We will be discussing this in MUMARIS section, later in this video. Your passport, make sure that it is not expiring within at least 6 to 8 months, from the time of starting this process. Ensure that you have no gap in your professional practice before applying. Ensure that you have not been out of practice for 2 consecutive years or more, otherwise, being IMG, you will be considered ineligible. All pharmacists who are willing to practice as pharmacists in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia are required to pass this Saudi Pharmacist Licensing Exam, SPLE. This exam can be taken worldwide through Prometric centers. The SPLE is a lengthy exam, consisting upon 6 hours, and divided into 3 sections. Each section contains 100 questions, with a total of 120 minutes duration. You can take 2 scheduled breaks between Section 1 and 2, and Section 2 and 3, with a pooled total time of 45 minutes, to be divided between these 2 breaks, based on your preference. Passing score is 530 points, out of scaled score ranging from 200 to 800 points. The exam contains following percentage of questions from different topics in 4 major pharmacy content areas. Dataflow has recently introduced new application system for Saudi Commission for Health and Specialties SCFHS. Previously it was this website https://www.dfscfhs.com, where an applicant was required to start application process for Dataflow PSV, primary source verification, but currently, applicant is required to start PSV process through visiting following website https://www.dfgateway.com. Visit this website, if it is your first visit, then sign up through entering your valid email address. Agree the terms and conditions and confirm to proceed. You will receive account activation link at your email. Click at the link, create a new password and confirm it. Now you are ready to log in. Enter your email, and enter your password on the next screen. Once you are inside your dashboard, you can start new application from here, or can check status of your existing application. This scale defines your application status. You can change the language from here. Now let's start your new application. On this licensing details page, please select authority name, which is in our case Saudi Commission for Health Specialties. You can see different health authorities' names here, so be careful while selecting authority name. While selecting application type, make sure you understand the terms. Additional means any document required per SCFHS's classification, for renewal. Let it be education, employment, or licensed document. Fresh graduate includes the verification of only one educational qualification, diploma, bachelor, master's, etc. Package includes the verification of one educational qualification, diploma, bachelor, master's, etc. One license, or employment certificate of recent 1 year at least. This type will give you the option to submit additional documents for verification if required. For a new application, let's select Package option. For Case Type field, please select the option accordingly. New means that you are applying for the first time under SCFHS. Renew means that you were previous licensed by SCFHS, and need to submit new documents for verification. Therefore, select New here, while selecting category if you are dentist or doctor. Otherwise, for nurse, pharmacist, technician, dental assistant or other allied health services, select non-physician. Otherwise, please select physician option. Selection subcategory accordingly. While selecting service type, you may select regular service, where your PSV report may take 25 to 30 working days. You can also take other value-added services for application processing against service charges. You can find details through visiting this link. While selecting package, make sure you understand the type of documents you need to verify for yourself. Because, in some cases we have found that candidates initiated data flow process through paying required fee, but while doing professional classification at MUMARIS PLUS website, which we will do later in this video, they found themselves stuck when asked to upload health license. Therefore, make sure that you have all required documents, as we discussed earlier, before applying for this exam. Because, if you are IMG, and have 1 year working experience, then you should choose optional package, which verifies your degree, experience certificate, and health license. On the other hand, choose education and employment package. If you don't have health license, in the absence of any accredited health authority in your country, then you can submit your experience certificate instead. You will also be required to fill and sign the endorsement letter during MUMARIS Plus step, which will be discussed later in this video. If you have more than one education degree to verify, then simply click this Add button, and additional cost will be added to your package. Select facility name of your employer from the list. If you don't have an employer in KSA yet, then select this option. If your employer health facility name is not available in this list, then click Other Facility option, and insert your facility details manually. Read the terms and conditions, agree with them, and click Next button. You may change the data flow service plan from here, or continue with the existing service. Review the following information, and click Add OK button. On Personal Details page, upload your clear scan passport copy. If failed after trying again, then manually provide your correct passport information, and submit. Provide your correct mobile number to receive OTP code. Once received, validate the received code like this. Then click Next to proceed. On Verification Details page, start filling your health license details. Fill out all required information with correct details. While clicking at License Issuing Authority Name field, it contains pre-populated data, which may contain the name of your licensing issuing authority. If you cannot find your issuing authority, then you can click at the link, I cannot find my issuing authority from the list, and provide details manually. Otherwise, select the name, and accept the terms through clicking here, and click at Submit button. Fill out all required details marked with red asterisk on this page. Upload the required license. Click at Next button to continue. On Employment page, while clicking at Name of Employer field, it contains pre-populated data which may contain the name of your employer. If you cannot find your employing facility name in this list, then you can click at the link, I cannot find my issuing authority from the list, and provide details manually. Otherwise, select the name, and accept the terms through clicking here, and click at Submit button. Fill out rest of the required information. Upload the required experience certificate. For multiple employment verification, repeat the same process. On Education section page, please provide correct information. While clicking at Degree Issuing Authority Name field, it contains pre-populated data which may contain the name of your issuing authority. If you cannot find your issuing authority name in this list, then you can click at the link, I cannot find my issuing authority from the list, then provide details manually. Otherwise, select the name, and accept the terms through clicking here, and click at Submit button. Fill out rest of the required information. Upload the required educational document. And click at Next button. In Letter of Authorization section, consent it to digitally sign this letter. You can also download it for your record. Click at Finish button to end this application process, and now you can review your provided information. For any required changes, you may click at this edit link. You may download this entire application for future reference from here. Once satisfied with the information, click Submit Application button. Review payment details, select payment method, and then click Submit Application button. Once your payment is successfully completed, then Dataflow will send you a payment receipt at your email address. So stay tuned with this channel. Do not forget to watch many of our videos, made for healthcare professionals. Hopefully, you may have liked this video. We have multiple UAE pharmacists WhatsApp groups Pharmacists Gateway linked with YouTube channel Dr.Razziq. So do join us there. Subscribe, share and like the channel. https://youtube.com/@dr.razziq.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you already subscribed Dr. Razziq Pharmacist Gateway channel. If you don't, you can do it now. Also like this video and also spread this channel, Dr. Razziq Pharmacist Gateway channel, to other pharmacist community so that they can get benefit from these job videos and other related videos. So thank you very much again and Fi Amanillah.